Hey guys,
Hey, long time no see.
we're on a little date night.
Yeah,
We're gonna watch the Nutcracker.
the Nutcracker. Yep. They only do 3 showings.
We'll
Sorry. They do 3 showings, one in the afternoon on Saturday, one in the evening on Saturday and Sunday, and that's it.
So we had to park. We had to pay for parking, right?
Yeah, wasn't so bad.
Oh man, my hair's it went flat. I curled it and everything. Try to look pretty and cute.
You always do. So I don't think we can record while we're inside the Nutcracker.
We can probably like do the theater outside or
Yeah.
inside, and maybe afterwards, like we can go look at lights, find some cool lights or something.
Yeah, I think they have a couple of Christmas lights around downtown and stuff like that too. So, but yeah, it's gonna be kind of fun. We went 2 years ago. We didn't go last year. Amber was up here and I was down in Florida. So, but this year we got a chance to go. So
I
it's
have
gonna
a
be fun.
cool little skirt on. You can't tell though.
Nope. I just have jeans and a polo. I don't know. I was thinking about wearing a suit, but
Your Mickey tie.
yeah, my Mickey tie.
We're
Very
probably
sad not to.
Are we gonna eat afterwards?
Yeah, we can.
I want to have kind of like you know those cute that were in style like ballet type shoes. That's what I have on. Don't mind my Teddy Grahams. I was hungry on the way over.
Yeah. Well, we made Christmas cookies. We made mint snow top cookies.
Well, I had to go shopping all over
Oh,
Omaha.
geez, that was a nightmare. We were trying to find mint chips. Oh, that was a nightmare.
So I was gone, what, 2 hours trying to find them?
One, not only your time searching, my time searching too, because I was going all over the place too.
Mm-hmm.
We couldn't find any. I was trying to order some online. They're like $12 on Amazon. I was like, I don't want them that bad. So, but you know, and we also made sugar cookies, and sugar cookies turned out pretty good too.
We decorated some. We'll have to show.
Show some.
I mean, after a while, we kind of just like, they're gonna be eaten anyways. But we tried to do pretty good. It was kind of hard.
Yeah.
We had, of course, Mickey shaped.
A lot.
Mm-hmm.
And then we did a couple of New Mexico stuff, and then stars, and the traditional Christmas-y things. Ooh, we also had Mickey hands.
Mm-hmm.
Jazz hands. How you couldn't see?
You couldn't see because you need to turn it on you.
So, but yeah, we're gonna head over there. We have an hour to waste, but
It starts at 7:30?
7:30. Yep.
Oh, I thought you told me 7.
That was to get her out early.
I was still ready on time, even earlier.
I know. So we will see you guys either during.
Oh wait,
wait.
A good tradition that you guys do. Leave a comment below what you guys like to do. I started to get him into going to the Nutcracker. My grandma used to take me every single year. She'd take me dress shopping. So we go get a dress, and then we go what? Dress. Got a cool dress. And then we went to go see the Nutcracker. So
the first one you took me to was in Naples.
it was in Italy.
Yep, Naples, Italy.
That was amazing. So amazing. So it's hard not to compare things to that Nutcracker. I cannot talk, obviously.
She has not been drinking.
What has happened? This is all I've had was just this.
Let me sniff it. No kidding. So, yeah, well, put down your traditions. Like if you go to Christmas pageants or Nutcrackers or whatever, let us know. But until then, we will see you guys in a while.
Later.
There it is. The Orpheum Theater?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Like what? Freezing temperature?
We missed that showing.
Aladdin's coming.
Rudolph. And there it is.
This is the inside. I'm like going in circles. I wonder. Oh, there's that little.
That Mickey red and gold would be perfect.
Only Disney fans would know that. There's the shop. Do you want to see what they have?
Okay.
Oh, they have stuff over here. To the left and stuff, which is the flipping short.
So that's our seats. 125 and 127. I know it has our date. Should be secretive, but it's fine.
Where's that? Oh, wow, look at that. So long. I think we've already been here. We've always been down there. Kind of thing. Remember how we were way back here last time?
Well, we sat over there last time. She doesn't know she's on camera yet.
My hair's all getting straight.
So, yep, we are here. Just a matter of time.
Oh, look, there's butterflies in there. The monarch butterflies, the ring.
So last time we came, we were sitting over here. This time we are sitting up here. And then we got little butterflies down here.
The thing is, we haven't seen it for a couple of years. I remember every scene, but like the names I don't remember. Hey guys,
Hey.
so it's done. It was
It is
maybe 2 hours long.
an hour and 45 minutes.
Yeah. They didn't do the whole show like what I'm used to, what I grew up with. I think they missed a few scenes. And it wasn't really about the Nutcracker, it was about the Sugar Plum Fairy.
And she's actually down there. I don't know if you can see. But this is my third Nutcracker. Yeah, third Nutcracker.
Yeah, you got spoiled with the one in Italy.
Yeah.
But it wasn't the same. Even you said though.
No, I felt like they missed a couple scenes or didn't complete a lot of scenes from what I remember.
They rushed it, it seemed like.
But all in all, though, it was an awesome show. The costumes were really cool. Like, they were really bling-blingy. Is that a word?
Yeah. It sure is a word. Sure. Sure is.
But it was pretty awesome.
It was awesome. Definitely check it out. We want to see Aladdin when it comes back.
Yeah.
But we're going to see if we can catch some in costumes so you guys can see some ideas or see what they look like. And then we'll kind of go around town or around here in downtown some lights maybe. So that way you guys get a longer video and more content and stuff. Also, they do serve snacks here and drinks. Like a little cup that we had was like $5. So you can eat in the theater when the ballet is happening.
And they take cash and card, so.
And then you can buy nutcrackers. You can buy, you can buy ballerina shoes from the cast who wore it, and they also signed it and stuff like that. They have ornaments. I don't know if the nutcrackers were made in Germany. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm not sure either.
They're a little expensive because we are at the ballet, so to keep that in mind.
Yeah.
But we're like one of the last, and all
like
the
nobody
ushers
here.
keep looking at us.
And they're trying to clean up, so.
So we're gonna head out for now, but next time you'll see us, we'll probably during the lights or something.
Yep. Sounds good.
Like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, especially now before you get to the end, because you know we're awesome and we do awesome things.
Sure.
Because it's bling blingy.
See ya.
More of them. Look. So Brian wanted to show us this. It's the what?
The Salvation Army tree that they put up every year. They do a big lighting ceremony and everything else.
When did they do this ceremony?
I'm not sure.
It's pretty cool. Made it home.
Action!
It's 10:40 at night.
Yep. Was it that late? Wow.
Yeah.
So, it was actually a pretty good night. Had fun at the Nutcracker.
That's our cat. We just got home. That's Echo. She's mad.
Sorry. So, she's a star of our YouTube channel, so might as well. But no, the Nutcracker was pretty fun. It was awesome. 17 degrees. Amber forgot where we parked the car, so we had to
Not true.
look over.
I knew where it was. Brian got lost.
I had to turn around. We don't go to downtown that much, so it's kind of hard to find the place all the time.
There's a lot of people still out.
Yeah, we had a party bus drive by.
There's a lot of people not wearing enough stuff.
No.
Like, yes, I should have worn tights, but it would have been really hot inside the theater, so.
And I didn't wear a jacket, so.
We learned our lesson.
Yeah. But, you know, who said 27 degrees is cold?
Well, dropped down to 17.
Oh.
So it got a little cold.
So, but we're going to post this tomorrow.
Ish.
I'll get it edited tonight and then posted tomorrow. So.
But hopefully you guys left a comment of your traditions, what you like to see and stuff.
Alright guys, we'll see you after a bit.
Bye!
Bye.